Hey everyone, this is Susan, and I want to go quickly over how I do weekly planning in the Book of Shadows digital planner. I've tabbed over to the weekly section, and the first thing I want to do is grab some stickers. So I'm opening the ephemera file, pasting it in here, and what I like to do is copy the whole sheet first. So I'll do share copy, and that way I can paste it back and I'll still have the whole sheet to work with. Then I highlight out what I want to use for the week. It's a new moon today, so I'm adding the new moon. And then I want to add a couple more stickers, so I'm highlighting out the star of Venus, because personally I have some Venus transits I'm looking at this week, and anything else that I want to highlight during the week. So I'm going to pull out these Harlequin ribbons. I just need one because I'm going to duplicate it once I pull it out, and then I'm going to go in again and get out the mugwort herb, because with all the moon influences this week, I thought that was a good herb to add to the layout. So once I have all these stickers, then I can place them where I want them on the calendar. And like I said, I can you can just duplicate ones you've pulled in if you want to use them more than once on the page. I use these Harlequins to show days when I know that I've got some outside appointments, and I'm putting them on those days here in the calendar. And you can fill in the calendar as much as you like, but for right now I'm just showing you how I add stickers to kind of highlight things. And the new moon is Monday, so I'm putting that there, and then I've got the star of Venus. And so then what I want to do is make some notes about this new moon in Cancer, and I'm just going to write them out here using the pen tool. This new moon is all about emotions, and I looked up some of the transits working with it, so I'm going to write some highlights about that. You can write whatever notes you want to on this side, but I'm just showing you how I'm using the new moon energy that I'll be working with all week. And the biggest key for this is to slow down and make sure I focus on self-care with the energies and the emotions of this new moon. So once you create these notes, you can highlight everything with the lasso tool and shrink it down so you have room for more notes. And then I'm just going to fill in a little bit about work and personal, and like I said, you can add whatever else you like.